Okay, so in previous class we are discussed about the to condition uh, table and access sequence and how to map the condition table to access sequence. Okay, and the access sequence where we need to assign that to condition types that we discussed, right?
Yeah.
Now today we'll discuss about the different kind of the condition types. So what type of the condition types we have? We have that basic price, discount, surcharges, freight, cost, and taxes. Okay, so these are the different kind of the condition types we have. Okay, so when we are discussing about the condition type, we also need to be understand about that what is the use of the how the condition type will works, and what are the fields, what are the factors will be considering while you are defining the condition type. That means, as we discussed last time yesterday, I just said that there is a condition class and calculation type, condition category, like we have different fields are there. So those are the impacting to the while creating that condition type. So let's go to SAP. Let's see how we can create the condition type and what factors we need to be considered when you creating the this when you creating the condition type. So where we need to go, SPRO and reference MG, material management, then purchasing, then condition, then where is the condition? Then define pricing procedure. Then here there is a condition types are there. Okay, so as we discussed about the different condition types are there, we have standard condition types are there. Okay, so you can see PB00 is the for condition type for basic gross price, and PBWX again gross price. Okay, discounts on percentage on per quantity per value, like that we have different condition types are there. Okay, let's go to inside the condition type. Okay, go to select the details and click on the details. Okay, select the condition type and go to details. So you can see that there is a condition class, condition calculation type, condition category, right? Okay, if you can see that these are the main aspects which is considering that when you creating the condition type. Okay, so how whether this is the like how it will be like, okay, below fields are the available control data one, which is like condition class and calculation type and calculation category. So let's understand about the condition class. Okay, what is the condition class? So the field determines the category of the condition type. Okay, what is the category? Just like what kind of the category? It like a price, or it is a tax, or it is a discount, or it's a charge. So what is the category? It is like okay, what category of the condition type it is like, so discount, price, taxes, extra pay, or it is a like these are the different condition classes are there. Okay, so it will give what kind of the condition it is like, is that something if it is a discount or such charge, that means it's additional cost, or it may be we are getting some benefit from that cost. If it is a price, it is a gross price, or it is something like okay, so like we have to see that whether it is a price or it is a tax related condition type or expensive or something what that you need to be defined. So majorly we are using condition class B. If the condition type is being configured for the cross pricing, then we are using the condition class. Okay, so here we are talking about the cross price, so this BR we are using for the gross price. Okay, if suppose it is a something which is tax code, okay, or if it is something discount, then when I just go to this one, this is the discount condition class. So okay, so depends on the condition type. Okay, you are selecting that what condition class you need to be select. And yeah, hello, any question? Okay, so when if it is a related to something like taxes or something, then we can use the D. Okay, so here we can see that we have the A, which is for the discount. Okay, so when there is any weight discount or something which is there, then we are using the A. And if it is a gross price related information, then we are using B. If it is something taxes related information, then we are using the taxes. So these are the condition classes we are using for this condition type. So based on the based on your selection condition class, it will be works. How it will works? It will be work based on your condition class. Okay, clear? Then calculation type. So as we said that last time, if you remember that when I'm discussing about the freight, maybe if it is a freight condition type, then I just said that freight condition is possible on percentage, it is possible fixed amount, or it is possible per quantity, like that, right? So this condition type will be calculated. How it will be calculated? This condition type, how it will be calculated? On what basis it will be calculated? Is it something percentage or fixed amount or per quantity or gross weight on base of gross weight? How it is calculating? That you are selecting here. Okay. So the calculation type is nothing but like how you are calculating your condition type. Okay. So if it is a B, then it is a fixed amount. If it is a, then it is a it is a percentage. Okay, B, it is like fixed amount, percentage per quantity, like that it is there. Clear? If you are using the G, then you can use your own formula. If you are using something G, then formula you can implement like enhancement you can do, then you can develop that. Okay, if you are using the calculation type G, okay, in the pricing project, then a condition basis formula, that means there is some formulas you can implement and assign to the calculation type. That I will discuss about that when we are discussing the pricing project. But okay, this calculation types which is there. Okay, okay. Any questions here? Any questions here?
No, sir. No.
Okay. Then coming to the condition category. Okay. Again, condition category is like it's a classification, right? What condition, what kind? It is like whether it is a freight, where you're classifying that whether this condition type is freight condition type, or it is a tax condition type, or it is a gross basic price, or it is a discount. Okay. So that category you are categorizing that. You are classifying classification. You are defining like you are categorizing that. Okay. You can see that here. Okay, packaging related, it is a delivery cost, insurance, tax, cash discount, like that we are defining. Clear? Clear? So condition category, you can see freight and you can see B, it is a delivery cost. Okay, so if the vendor is same for the main purchase order, okay, and freight, then we can select the F. Okay, the vendor is same for the main purchase order. That means the freight vendor and purchase order vendor is same. Then you can use that. You can use this freight. Okay, but if the transportation vendor is different, that means if it is a freight vendor is different, then you can use some selection like B. It is the delivery cost. Okay, so what is the difference between the freight and the delivery cost? So as per the words, it is the same. As per the words, like meaning, it is the same. The freight and delivery cost, correct? No, freight and delivery cost both is the same. But if you are using the freight, that means you might be the purchase order vendor and the freight vendor both are same. If it is a different vendor, that means the transportation vendor is different and my purchase order main vendor is different, then you can use the delivery cost, because you need to be settled, you need to be settle the delivery cost separately to the this vendor, right? The transportation vendor you are paying separately to that amount, right? In that case, you can use the B, delivery cost. Clear? Okay, so in this case, what you can do, you can define your own separate GL account and you can post that to the separate different GL account that is defined to that vendor. Clear? Is it clear? So what is
No,
the
sir.
delivery
Yes.
cost and freight? Okay, freight it is like if it is a PO vendor and freight vendor it is same. That means the freight charges is the main vendor itself is charging. Then you can use directly this condition category has a F. Okay, if it is like delivery cost, that means the transportation vendor is the different. Okay, so why transportation different is different? Maybe this is VRL logistics. Maybe the transportation supplier is different. Okay, the goods supplying by the main vendor, but the transportation which is coming from the some third party vendor like a partner. Okay, so in that case you can use the delivery cost. Clear?
Okay.
Okay, then there is a rounding rule. It is a commercial, right? You see, if it is a digits like 9.346 like digits which is coming, so it is rounding of that to 2 digits like 9.3. So whether you want to be rounding up or rounding down, or it's commercial, so like you can rounding off that. So what is the rounding up? If it is a decimal is high, if it's suppose 1.23456 something it is there, then you are uh, you are adjusting that to the 2 decimals, right? You know, right? What is the rounding up, right? You know, right? If it is something 1, 2, 3, 4, or maybe 1, 2, 4 it is coming, or it is 1.26 it is coming. Sorry, 236 it is coming. Then what is the value of this one? If after decimals, then it will be like 1.323 only. But in this case, it is 1.24. Because more than 5, the decimals which is adjusting and it is rounding up to the value, right? Clear? So this is the rounding up. Okay, you can see here the rounding up. The commercial are rounding up or rounding down. Always if it is rounding up or rounding down, or it's commercial based on the standard ones like. Okay, then the plus or minus, anyway you ever about it, right? Whether the value is plus or whether it is a minus, like. Okay, so if the condition type value is treated as a positive value or negative value, that defines based on this selection. Okay, it is positive or it is negative, or okay, so like you are selecting positive or negative, or you are selecting it is exactly negative, it is exactly positive, like that you can select here. Clear? Clear? Any questions in this case?
No, sir, no questions.
Okay, so like here you can see there is a one more which is like okay, amount which is like manual entry, or it is a limitations like. Okay, if it is a manual entry, then you are entering always at the time of PO creation, you are entering the always manual. If it is a no limitation, then it might be it is coming automatically, or it is a, or it will come and there is no limitation, means either we can use manually, or maybe it will be get automatically as well. Okay. Okay, clear? Is it clear? And whether amount and quantity related, all these things which we can, and this is the one thing, supplement condition type. Okay, so while you are creating that the info record, there is a pricing will be picture, pricing is capturing, right? So this PB00 is this RM002 is the supplement condition type procedure for the PB00. That means when you are creating the info record, the condition type what you are entered the PB00, it is calculating in the supplement condition type. Okay, clear? So are there any questions here?
No.
Sir, here pricing condition you are saying, sir, supplement condition. Once repeat it, sir. I didn't understand.
Okay, supplement condition type is nothing but like if suppose you have the main pricing procedure in the PO. Okay, but info record also you have the pricing procedure, right? Okay, so in the pricing procedure, what you entered in info record, the price which is capturing to the PO level, right? So now, okay, so in the info record, it is not a external purchasing document, it is a master data, right? Correct? So when you are entering the condition type PB00, when you are entering the PB00 in the info record, okay, so the system is checking that what supplement condition type it is entered, the pricing procedure, that pricing procedure it is capturing into the info record. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, if you can see here, so determines which condition can be used document sequence for appear. Okay, so you can see if you define the pricing procedure control condition supplement for the material price. Okay, so that means Okay, if you're creating any condition records and you are creating any info record, okay, so how it is capturing into the our main pricing procedure, okay, so it will be taking reference as a supplement condition type. If you not entered the supplement condition type, then when you're maintaining the condition records and when you're maintaining info record, the data which will be give the error message like it is a supplement condition type was not maintained. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that is
Sir,
what
that number has came from PI, sir, where that
condition,
that
either it may be condition record or it was from the info record.
okay, sir.
This pricing procedure you are maintaining it right? Okay, I'll just go to ME13. So I'm just entering this one. Okay, you can see here you maintain the conditions, right? Okay, so just go. Okay, I'll go like MEK2. Okay, if it is suppose a plant or it's maybe material info record. Okay, so if you can see here, okay, this pricing project, so this PB00 condition records which is capturing, right? Okay, so this will be hitting into your info record. Okay, you can see condition supplement. Okay, so you can see this is capturing into your info record. This values which is capturing into info record. This condition supplement pricing procedure will be helping to get the pricing into your PO. Okay, so it will be updated in the your info record. The prices will be updated in the info record. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No,
Okay, so if you are not maintain this supplement condition type, then it will be give the error message like okay, there is no supplement condition type which is assigned, so these combinations will not be work properly. Okay, clear? Clear?
yes, sir.
Okay, so that's what if you can see here also, or you can see in the ME13 as well. Okay, info record also you can see. I just remove this one. If I can see that any. Why it is not coming here? Okay, it's not maintained here. Okay, condition is not maintained here. Okay, maybe I'll just go to ME12. Okay, maybe it's not. It's grayed out. Okay, you maintain at plant level. Okay, because it's coming. Okay, so it is maintained at plant level, right? So it is again maintained plant level. So these are the order histories. Okay, so only that is what where we are maintaining this condition record. So from the condition records, so that the prices what you maintain here based on the maybe you maintain with the plant info record or maybe you maintain with plant vendor material combinations. Okay, so whatever you maintain this condition records and those. Okay, if what combination you are maintaining that. Okay, that combination. Okay, there will be a like. Supplement condition types which will be triggering to the our PO. So I'll just show you here again one more time. I'm just selecting here. I'll go here. You can see that condition supplement here. Okay. So this is the supplement condition type here. Clear? Is that clear? So if you not maintain, then it won't be get. So from the pricing procedure, from the condition pricing procedure, what it is maintained and what supplement condition type it is maintained, that you are using to connecting this to your PO pricing procedure. Clear? Any questions here?
No questions.
Okay, you can see in the condition information as well here. Now it should be shown in the purchase info record also. I don't know why it's not displaying, because it's already the documents, everything. You can see here purchase info record number, everything it is there, but I'm not sure why it is not displaying in the info record, but it should be displayed. Okay, if you're not maintained, then it will be give error message like it's not condition supplement, so you cannot capture the condition records. Okay, clear? Okay, so now that is what. Okay, so when there is a basic price, gross price, okay, you maintain the condition record, you must be enter the pricing procedure. Okay. Okay, so you can see here what the system uses the pricing procedure that you enter here, control the user of use the condition supplement in the records of condition type. So that means where you maintaining the condition records, these condition supplements will be controlling to capture into the pricing procedure. Okay, clear?
Okay,
Every
can you
time,
repeat once again?
okay. See, if you not maintain the this condition supplement, if you not maintain this pricing procedure or supplement condition type, okay, what will be happen when you maintain the condition records? Okay, every time when I'm just creating the PO, so every time the system is searching the condition records, right? Okay, so this pricing condition type is using as a condition supplement for a material price. Okay, that means if you not maintain this pricing, this supplement condition type, or it is a this what it is like a pricing procedure, if you not maintain here, then the condition records what you maintain, that will not capture. It won't be work properly.
Okay.
Okay, so that's what you defined a pricing procedure to control the condition supplement for the pricing material price. Okay, to control the condition supplement for material price. Okay, the condition supplement specifies the discount that you want to be system to apply every time system access the material pricing condition type. Okay, that means every time when you creating the document or anything, the material price condition records, it is referring every time system accessing that. When you define the condition type for the material price, you enter the pricing procedure that you define in the condition supplement. Okay, clear? Clear? So simple here, if you consider, if you leave this as a field, simple words, if you leave this as a field, the condition supplement function in the screen where you maintain the corresponding condition records is the inactive. Clear? Simple word. Did you understand this word? Did you understand this word? So what is the condition records? Yesterday we discussed the condition record. So the access sequence, search strategy based on the condition records we are maintaining, right? In the condition records we are maintaining based on the search strategy, we are maintaining records, right? So
Right.
if you not maintain the condition supplement function and you are not assigning your pricing procedure, then this corresponding condition records are inactive.
Okay. If we are not meeting all those.
All this one, not all those, only for
Okay.
this one. This is a supplement pricing procedure. Okay, this is
Okay.
called supplement pricing procedure. Clear?
Okay.
So every time when you define your pricing procedure, whenever you are defining your own condition type, okay, you must be checked that what is the condition category, what is the condition class and calculation type. All these things you must be understand that. Okay, clear? Clear?
Yes.
Any questions?
No.
Okay, so these are all SD and MM, everything it is there. Okay, so you can see here, if PB00 is the one condition type, it's I'll just write some of the condition type which is MM related. So PB00, okay, it is the gross price, and PBWX, okay, it is also gross price, and FRA1 and FRB1, FRC1. Okay, these are also which is a freight condition types from MM point of view, and you can see the discounts R000, R001, R002 discounts and all. Okay, these are also MM condition types, and you can see surcharges as well. Okay, so you can see if there is any surcharges are there, that you can maintain. It will be maintained like HP. Where is HP? You can see that it is a surcharge value. Okay, header surcharge value HP00, and okay, if there is any excise or tax information like manual excise and custom excise, customs and secondary education excise, this is all tax related. Okay, if that is the case, you can maintain these condition types. Okay, and other than this one, if you need an input tax code MWXT, you are maintaining. Okay, MWVS and MWXT, you are maintaining this for the input tax codes. Okay, so like you can see that there are so many condition types are there. What condition type it is required to your client, you can use that those condition types and you can define. Okay, so if you want, you can define your own style of the pricing procedure also. You can define your own pricing condition type also. So let's see, I'm just creating one condition type here. Okay, let's select this one PB00 and copying this one, and I'm just creating that my own like I'm just putting like ZERS. Okay, gross price, which is for the automatic. I'm just putting like automatic. Okay, then my access sequence I'm using, which I created yesterday. My access sequence, that is I'm using, and okay, this condition type is price, cross price. Okay, this is I'm just calculating based on per quantity, how much quantity is like, and it is a basic price. Okay, then I'm using the pricing element supplement pricing condition. Okay, then I'll just copying this one. Okay, then I'll be saving this one. Okay, so when you are defining your own pricing procedure, you can use this condition type. Instead of you are using the PB00, you can use ZGRS. Clear? So the same way you can create your own pricing procedure for PBWX. You can use for the condition type PBWX. What is the meaning of PBWX? ZGRX I'm just creating. Okay, so this is not automatic, it is a manual. What is the difference between the PBW and PBWX? Okay, you can see in the here, you can see that, okay, I just mentioned that manually entry has a priority. So what is the difference between PBW and PBWX? Yesterday we discussed about that. PBW is the time dependent condition type and PBWX is the time independent condition type. You forgot. What is the meaning? What is the difference between time dependent condition type and time independent condition type? What is the difference between time dependent condition type and time independent condition type?
Like till this time rate should be like same like that. Huh?
So that is a time independent. So time dependent. That is a time dependent.
Independent, like every day it will change mind. Like
I'm just entering manually at the time of PO creation. That is a time independent. Means I don't know what is the price. Maybe I'm just when I'm creating the pivot, that time I'm just checking that and I'm just manually entering that. Time dependent condition types are nothing but like a already I know the price, which the vendor is saying that next 1 month it is at the same price. Okay, so that we are maintaining condition records. Wherever you are maintaining the condition records, that is a time dependent condition type. Okay, clear? So in that case, if it is a time dependent condition type, then I can select that it is a no limitation. Means I can create manually also, I can get the automatic as well. Okay, if it is a manual condition type, that means in this case, I'm not assigning the access sequence, so it is not time dependent condition type, and I'm just selecting the manual entry is possible. That means in case the system is not find any proper condition records which is not maintained, then I can enter manually with this condition. Clear? Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay, any question, Venkat?
No, sir.
Okay, and I didn't maintain the pricing procedure here. See, supplement pricing procedure I didn't maintain. Why I didn't maintain this one? Supplement pricing procedure? Because I'm not maintaining any condition records, right? I don't need to be capture this information automatically every time. It's not required to search. But PB00 I need to be searched because it is like time dependent. I'm just maintaining the condition records over time. Clear? Clear or not clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
When what about Karimai?
Yeah, clear.
It's clear, right? So like you can create that. Okay, if you have the if you want to be create for the discount, and if you want to be create for the surcharges, what you want to be create, you can create. Okay, so I can use maybe I can create what. Okay, maybe I can create for the discounts. I can create for the per quantity, per value, and per on net value, and gross amount. All these things I can do. Okay, so so based on your client requirement, you can see that what condition type it will be suitable for you. That condition type you can use. Clear? Is this clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I have the different condition type. That means what is the meaning of this condition type? It is a pricing condition, pricing elements. Okay, when you're creating the PO, you are entering the price, gross price, you are entering the discount, you are entering the freight charges, you are entering the surcharges. All what are the charges we have, what are the pricing elements are there, that I am prepared as of now. Okay, so that is called define condition types. Okay, that define condition types which we just created, right? Clear? Any questions till here? What we did as of now? As of now, what we did?
The pricing conditions define.
Okay, so as of now, what we did, we created the condition tables and access sequence for search strategy for to maintain the condition records. In future, we need to be maintain the condition records. So for that, I'm just prepared my condition tables and access sequence. Okay, that is the one part which we created. And today, what I did, I just prepared what condition types are required. What condition types are required, that I prepared. Okay, so if you remember that yesterday we discussed about that gross price, discount, and surcharges, net price, and input tax on all this information it is we said, right? The same thing here. What it is required for the gross price, what it is required for discount, what it is required for surcharge, what required it is for the input tax. All these condition types I am preparing here. Clear?
Okay.
Okay. So any doubts still here? Any
No,
doubts?
as of now, no.
Okay, so what are the condition, my condition type? What are the condition types I'm planning now? Okay, one is the cross price, right? Cross price, which is for the automatic, that means time dependent. So what is my condition type? It is which I created just now. ZGRS, right? Which I created, right? Just now it is created ZGRS. So one is ZGRS. Now then also I created one more cross price, which is for the manual entry. In case if I miss to maintain my condition records for this material and price, then I can use this condition type to enter the manually. Okay, then ZGRX is my manual condition type. Okay, then I will be taking some of the other condition types also. Okay, for testing purpose, I'm just taking the some of the other condition types also, which I'm not creating the any customization. I'm just directly using that. Okay, I'm directly using that. Okay, so what is that freight? Let me tell you, freight is the why it is coming. Okay, freight is like if okay FRA1 I'm just creating, and also FRB1.
Sir, take one delivery. We are having two different vendors there.
Yeah, I will take it. I will take. Okay, and FRC1. Okay, so you can see FRA1 is for the freight. Okay, okay, and also I'll be taking for the freight FRB1. Okay, and also for FRC1. Okay, clear? Okay, what you want?
So, sir, for delivery, we're having 2 vendors now, sir. So how it will be like that? Delivery.
Okay, that is the again I can use partner functions. Okay, that I will tell you. Okay, when I'm just doing the, so you want to be pay separate account, right? Separate vendor, transportation vendor.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, that I will tell you when I'm just creating the PO. Okay, clear? Okay, na? Okay, is that okay? Is that fine?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Fine.
Okay, okay. Now I'll be going. Okay, one is for the why I'm taking three options of right, which is for one is percentage, and one is per quantity, and one is fixed amount, right? So you can see what is the FRB1. FRB1 is the fixed amount, na? So fixed value. This is the this is the fixed amount. Okay, and this is the per quantity. Per quantity. Okay, clear? Is it clear? Why I just taken both? Any questions here?
No, sir.
Okay, so Cremant for you.
No.
Okay, now what I'm doing now, other than this one, we also need a discount. Okay, I just want to use some discount, so I'm just planning to take the discount as well. Okay, okay, so you can create your own style of the discount, or you can use this one R000 or R001, like you can use it. So R000 is the discount which is calculating on the gross price. Okay, it is calculating on the gross price. Okay, okay, then so R000, this is the discount on gross price. Then I also considering one more, I just planning. So here also there is a percentage, and here also there is a percentage and fixed amount, and per quantity also it is there. Fixed amount per quantity also it is there. So hope you are understanding this one, per quantity and fixed amount and percentage, right? Any doubts on this one? Any doubts here? What is the percentage? What is the fixed amount? Do you have any doubts on this one? Yes or no?
No, no doubt, sir.
I think Kiranmai is too. Kiranmai, is it you understand?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. 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 So if I selected the per quantity, it will be based on the PO per order quantity. Okay. If it is a fixed amount, total amount, whatever the value PO value, the amount will be fixed. Okay. If it is a percentage on total value of the PO, it will be calculated. Okay. Okay. I just put a mute. Just I'm just putting mute. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Then okay. Now I got the discount. Okay. Might be I can use, if you want to be use some other condition types like input tax code and surcharges and cash discounts. That if you want to be used, you can use that. Okay. So what is the difference between the cash discount and normal discount? There is SKTO is there. So this is the this is the one condition type SKTO, which is the cash discount. So what is the difference between the cash discount and the typo discount? What is the difference? This discount versus this cash discount. Anyone have an idea about that discount versus cash discount?
No, sir. No idea.
Okay, so cash discount we are using. Okay, we are using for the payment terms. Okay, so payment terms, if you see that, I say that my client is saying that, okay, within the 15 days, if you pay, okay, then he is giving the 2% of discount. cash discount. If it is within the 30 days, then he is giving the 1% of discount. Okay, then if it is within the 45 days, there is no discount for that due to pay, due amount, due pay. Okay, so that means within the 15 days, if you clear the payments to the vendor, then he is giving the 2% cash discount. Okay, so it will become when you are paying the amount, cash discount, and this discount will come when you creating the PO direct. Irrespective of the payments, the discount is calculating on the what your PO value or percentage, whatever it may be, based on that it will be calculated. So now you understand what is the difference, huh? So that's why it is showing that not possible to enter the manually this condition type, because it is calculating automatically from payment terms. Okay, clear? Is it clear?
Sir.
Okay, so that is what SKTO. Okay, and if anything which is like variants, it is something like different colors, different sizes. Like if it is there, then you can use. It is majorly using for the ST, and you can use for a MM as well. No problem. Variants if it is there. Okay, so other than that, okay, these are the condition types which is required. Okay, any other than, if you want, you can use the surcharges, additional cost and surcharges, labor charges, packing charges, certain you can use. Other than that, you can use these input taxes and non-deductible tax codes and tax codes. Those you can use. Okay, clear? Okay, clear? Okay, I'll be go for next. Okay, if you understand the condition depth, I will be go for the next. Any questions here? Okay, I'm just going for the next step. Okay, so I just prepared the what condition type it is required. I just prepared my condition type. So my structure is like, first it will be start with the basic price, that is the gross price. Okay, okay, so on gross price, okay, we are calculating the discount. Okay, on okay, on discount we are calculating. On again, okay, and if there is any surcharges is there, that I'm just applying that. Okay, after that we are entering the net price. Net price is that basic price plus discount. Okay, that measure it is like my client. Okay, maybe different clients have a different pictures. Okay, and then I'm just adding that tax information. Okay, that will be like net price plus tax. Okay, it means on net price we are calculating the tax, then net price including tax, okay, that will be like net price plus tax code. Okay, then on this one you are charging the freight. Okay, then is there any labor charge or maybe packing charge, okay, or unloading charge, or anything which is like loading unloading charges and other things, then finally effective price will be there. Effective price and total price will be impacted. Okay, so like it is a my pricing calculation, it is like, okay, this is the minus and this is plus like that. This is my figuring. I'm just figuring about that, like you just want to define. Okay, so now you need to be structured like this design. Okay, for this you are preparing the pricing procedure. Okay, so pricing procedure and calculation schema, pricing procedure or calculation schema or pricing schema, all it is the same. Okay, pricing schema, all it is there. It is like a procedure you are preparing, how you would like to be design your pricing procedure. Okay, now I'll be going to the configuration. I'm just going back. Okay, then we have the condition type now. Now I'll be going for the next time. Okay, which is like calculation schema. Okay, calculation schema. Now we have the standard calculation schemas also. That means standard pricing procedure, which is like RM 00 like we have different pricing procedures which is there, which is standard one. Okay, if you want to be referred that pricing procedure, and you can see here. Okay, okay, so you can see here. Okay, I'll just delete this one. Okay. Now this is a standard pricing procedure which is SAP providing. Okay, you can use this pricing procedure, or if you want to use your own style of the pricing procedure, you can define. Okay, so to define the pricing procedure, to define this above pricing procedure, we have the 16 steps. Okay, so that means 16 fields. Okay, it's not steps, it is 16 fields. You need to understand the 16 fields. Clear? Okay, so what it is 16 fields are? Okay, so the first one is step. Second one is counter. Right? Third one is condition type. Okay, and fourth one is description. Fifth one is from. Sixth one is to. Okay, so like you can see here, step, counter, condition type, description, from and to, then manual, required, and print, statistical, and print. Then it is subtotal, requirement type, subtotal, requirement type, and calculation type. Okay, then it will be like basic type. Okay, then accruals and account key. And accruals. So totally 16 fields are there. Okay, these are the 16 fields. Okay, so if you want to be design the pricing procedure, you need to be designed based on these 16 fields. Okay, so then what is the step? Okay, so anyway, you already aware about the step like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, first condition. So in my above design, like if you see that my here the above pricing procedure, if what I just plan, the above high level is gross price, then I can put like step 1. Okay, then the next one is fried, then I can put like condition step 2, then step 3, like I can put like that, right? So here also I'm just defining that step 1. Okay, first to what is the first one, it is like gross price. Okay, then second. Okay, so like how many steps are there, how many condition types are there, and what kind of the condition types are there, you can define a number of steps here. Clear? Is that clear why we are using the step? Okay, step 1, 2, 3, like if you remember that condition table, when we were defining condition table, when we are assigning to the access sequence, the access sequence first it will be get for the first combination, second combination, third combination, like we just entered the step 1, step 2, step 3, right? Here also we are entering that. Okay, how many condition types are there? We are using the step 1, step 2, step 3, like that. Clear? Clear? Any questions? Step 1. Now coming to the counter, if there is any condition type which will be work has the same, that means maybe if you see that if I can see the PB00, okay, and PBXX, both functionality is same. Is both functionality is same or different? Both functionality is same, right? So in that case, okay, in that case I can put like only one condition type. It is only one condition type, but counter will be 1 and 2. Okay. Can I go on mute? Yeah. Okay. So step 1 is, okay, the gross price. So gross price, how many gross prices we have? How many condition types which is there for the gross price? We have 2 condition types. One is which is automatic, one is manual. So both it is the same factor, same impact. There is no duplication, right? It is same. So there is no separate validation. It is the same value. That means step 1, under the step 1, 1, 2, counter 1, counter 2. So counter 1 is the gross price PB00, and counter 2 is the PBXX. Okay. So I'll just show you. I'll just enter. I'll go back. Okay, I'll just do one thing. I'll be create new one.
So sorry to interrupt. From here, we can continue tomorrow.
Okay, no problem. Okay, you have any other work?
Yeah, go.
Okay. Then I'll just we'll go ahead for tomorrow then. Okay. Ankit, is that fine? Ankit, no problem,
Yes, sir.
right?
Fine, sir. Fine.
Okay then. Okay, then I'll just stop then. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.